Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissant waffles. First, let's talk about the dough. Using pre-made croissant dough is a fantastic shortcut, saving you a lot of time and effort. Simply unroll the dough and separate it into individual pieces. Next, make sure your waffle iron is preheated to a medium heat setting. This ensures a perfectly golden and crispy exterior for your delightful treat. Now, let's get to shaping and cooking. Take each individual piece of croissant dough and roll it into a tight log or a small ball. This helps create those wonderful layers and a satisfying chew. Carefully place one dough piece directly in the center of your preheated waffle iron. Close the lid and cook for about 2 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color and is thoroughly cooked. Let's explore some exciting flavor variations to elevate your croissant waffles. Before cooking, you can easily incorporate delicious additions like chocolate chips, a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar, or even small pieces of fruit directly into the dough. For a wonderfully caramelized crust, brush the dough with a little melted butter and then sprinkle it with granulated sugar. Don't be afraid to get creative with savory options too, like cheese or fresh herbs. Finally, let's talk about serving your amazing croissant waffles. They are absolutely best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a simple dusting of powdered sugar for that classic touch. For a more indulgent experience, consider topping them with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a generous drizzle of rich maple syrup. These versatile treats are perfect for a quick breakfast, a delightful dessert, or even a unique and satisfying snack any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.